So my name is Md Shahrukh. I completed my post-graduation in electrical engineering, in which I researched on reinforcement machine learning during my post-graduation. So after completing my post-graduation, I joined one of the Fortune 500 companies of the world, that is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. There I actually got to see how those machine learning algorithms came into play. That was the time I came across this platform called AlmaBetter, where I started learning through this platform. I got placed in ApnaMart as business analyst. While I was researching on about various online platforms, AlmaBetter stood out amongst all because it had pay after placement model. So I would say it was a risk-free model where we can learn from various resources that was available to us for free, and after getting placed, we have to pay for the course. I mostly focused on my learning. So I was given utter pro class business communication classes, and I did not have to think about which companies are coming because AlmaBetter is very good at it. So first of all, there was a structured curriculum. So we start with basic Python language. So even if we don't know about programming and all, we learn each and every thing right from the very basic. And after every module, there is a kind of project of capstone project, which gives us actual feeling of how industry works. And at the end, there are mentors which are available throughout the session. Whenever we want to consult them, we can book a mentorship session and try to talk to them. I used to learn from various online resources, but that was in bits and pieces. But through AlmaBetter, I got a complete structured and flow of the curriculum. So what to study first and what to next and how to proceed further in this field of data science. Plus, they should not foresee or try to be very worried about the placement and all. They should focus on their learning and try to adapt through the process and try to learn things very quickly. So they should just believe whatever the process is.